Top 8 Best Hand Truck. The 8 Best Hand Truck in Present Time. We are going to check out 8 Best Hand Truck quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Kedsum Folding Hand Truck, 70 kg per 155 pounds, heavy-duty 4-wheel solid construction utility car, compact, price, $45.99 and free returns. Brand Kedsum, material alloy steel, color red, item weight 4 pounds, wheel type rubber, easy storage, can be folded up easily in few seconds. With a compact size and lightweight, 4 pounds, you can put into the backpack after folded and won't feel heavy. Number 2, Spacekeeper Folding Hand Truck, 500 pounds heavy-duty luggage cart, price, $47.99 and free returns. Brand Spacekeeper, material stainless steel, color black, wheel type polyurethane, load capacity 500 pounds. Number 3, JEF World of Golf Deluxe Steel Push Cart, price, $53.99 and free returns. Brand JEF World of Golf, color black silver. Number 4, MaxWorks 80,876 Foldable Platform Truck Push Dolly, 330 pounds. Weight capacity, price, $54.99 and free returns. Folding platform push cart is excellent for home, office, warehouse, garage, workshops, schools, garden use. 2 4-inch swivel casters and 2 rigid wheels, quietly and easily rolls under load. Number 5, MagnaCart Flatform 300 pounds capacity 4-wheel folding platform truck, price, $78.49 and free returns. Brand MagnaCart, material aluminum, color silver, item weight 6.4 kilograms, style Flatform. The MagnaCart Flatform folding 4-wheel platform cart can be taken and stored anywhere. Number 6, Pushcart Dolly by Wellmax, moving platform hand truck, price, $89.97 and free returns. Brand Wellmax, material alloy steel, color yellow, item weight 16.66 pounds, item dimensions LXW XH 28.74 x 18.7 x 27.56 inches, sturdy and durable, quality-made products are at the core of our mission here at Wellmax. We build for long-term use and functionality. Number 7, Olympia Tools 85 to 188 pack and roll folding collapsible service cart, price, $89.99 and free returns. Portable collapsible cart, the service cart keep all your tools and equipment in one place when needed for maintenance responsibilities. Features a secure locking mechanism so it doesn't collapse. 150 pounds capacity. Number 8, Pushcart Dolly by Wellmax, moving platform hand truck, foldable, price, $115.97 and free returns. Brand Wellmax, material alloy steel, color yellow, load capacity 660 pounds, number of wheels 4. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.